everyone, this is Rashmi Bilas and we'll be discussing about basic components of a computer system. See, computers are nothing just machines that perform a set of functions according to their user's direction. Computers could be your basic desktop, laptops, even calculators. These are all computers because they perform certain set of functions according to the directions of their particular user. And every computer comprises of some basic elements, and none of the computer can function in the absence of these elements. And we'll be discussing about these particular components or elements which when combined makes a proper usable computer system. So let's discuss the basic components of the computer. See, primarily there are three important components of the computer that you can see in the image as well. These are input devices, your processing unit, and output devices. There are other components as well, but if these three components does not work in synergy, they will not lead to smooth functioning of overall working of your computer. So we can call them the building blocks of a computer system. Basic components of a computer is input devices, your central processing unit, and output devices. So first of all, let's discuss input unit. Input unit is the component which help users to enter data and commands into any computer system. Data could be in the form of numbers, words, actions, commands, anything. The main function of input device is to direct commands and data into the computer, and then computer uses CPU to process this data and produce output. For example, a laptop's keyboard is an input unit that enters numbers and characters. Similarly, even a mouse is an input unit for entering direction, commands, clicking, or selection of any particular folder. Another example of input unit could be barcode reader, optical character readers, touch screens nowadays. Users can simply touch these screens without using any other devices. From smartphones to ATM machine, these input devices are becoming very popular these days. After receiving the data and commands from a user using the input devices, the computer system now has to process it according to the instructions provided. Here it has to rely on a component called the central processing unit. The CPU has three further elements. The first one is memory unit. Once a user enters the data into input devices, the computer system stores this data in its memory, and the data will remain here until the other components of CPU process it. Next component is arithmetic and logical unit. This part of CPU performs arithmetic operations. It does basic mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. And the third part of CPU is control unit. This unit is the backbone of computer. It is responsible for coordinating tasks between all the components of a computer system. The control units collect the data from input, sends it to the processing unit, and then finally further transmit processed data to the output unit for other users. The third and final component of a computer system is the output unit. Processing of data, it is converted into a format which humans can understand, and after the conversion the output unit displays this data to the users. Example of output devices include monitors, screens, printers, and speakers. Thus output units basically reproduce the data formatted by the computer for users' benefit. These were the three major components of computer system which is responsible for making computers actually function or work. So that was all about the basic components of a computer system.